Hello everyone. In today's video, we'll be showing you some unforgettable moments of when people messed with the wrong cops. Get ready for instant karma captured on dash cams, where individuals face the consequences of their reckless actions. Let's dive in. Juan Valdez was wanted for domestic violence and fled from the police in Lathrop. The chase quickly escalated when Valdez's vehicle was damaged, but he did not stop and continued to cause chaos. He grabbed onto a car window in an attempt to carjack another victim. His defiance of the law only led to one outcome. He was subdued shortly afterward.
Trying to carjack a victim vehicle, holding on.
Featuring the carjacked victim vehicle with the description. What are you doing there? Come on, lay down.
A serious suspect arrest situation occurred. The suspect, Ralph Boozy, after fleeing, returned and rammed two police officers, making the situation extremely tense. The law does not tolerate resistance, and he was quickly apprehended.
Get out the vehicle right now! Get out the vehicle! Danger! Get out the car right now!
St. Paul police arrived after receiving information about a man involved in domestic violence. While attempting to get him out of the house, he suddenly charged at the officers, trying to attack them. The situation became serious, forcing the police to open fire. The law will not tolerate such dangerous behavior. Connecticut State Police quickly responded after receiving information about a man threatening family members with a weapon. Despite repeated requests from the police, he refused to cooperate and still held the weapon. As tensions escalated, the police were forced to use a taser on him. Don't challenge the law if you can't handle the consequences.
My taser down. Okay? Okay? Put him down.
Harry Andrews made a serious mistake when he brandished a knife, causing chaos on the highway and attempting to attack the police. This reckless act not only endangered himself, but also the community. Andrews will soon face serious consequences for his dangerous actions. The suspect rammed a patrol car and then continued to crash into another police car. When forced to get out of his car, he swung a metal chain, threatening the officers. Perez Garcia's stubbornness and refusal to comply with orders led to a tense confrontation, during which the officers had to use their weapons to protect themselves. In the end, he paid the price for his violent actions when he was shot and arrested. The police approached the suspect and asked him to drop his weapon, but Gordon threw a backpack at one of the officers and charged at him with scissors in his hand. As the situation became dangerous, Officer Penadias was forced to open fire in self-defense, ending the tense confrontation. Facing the law has never ended well. Running away, resisting the police, and using a fake gun gesture only led Steinmetz to an irredeemable outcome. The law will not show mercy to those who disrespect it. Steinmetz will likely, soon, regret his actions.
Driver, get down on the ground! Get down on the ground now! Get down on the ground now! Get down on the ground now!
Ryan, you good? Yeah. Okay. Let's start medical.
Go ahead and love up.
Thanks. I'm gonna search. Ryan, you're good. You're good to get off, bro.
Male suspect is currently on
A tense situation unfolded when Earl Callier wielded a knife and refused to comply with police orders. He attempted to flee and resisted, escalating the situation when he charged at an officer. The police were forced to use force to subdue him.
Drop it! Drop it! Drop the knife!
The police approached Davidson Rowland, a suspect linked to a car crash. However, he moved towards the officers holding a knife and pepper spray, ignoring their orders to stop. The situation worsened when he sprayed pepper spray at the officers. When resisting the law, every reckless move has consequences.
Get on the ground and put the knife down now! Get on the ground and put the knife down! Put the knife down! Put the knife down now! Put it down! Put it down! Get on the ground and put the knife down now! Get on the ground and put the knife down! Put the knife down! Put the knife down! Put the knife down!
When the police approached the suspect, they immediately found themselves in a very dangerous situation. The suspect drew a knife and attacked one of the officers. Using a weapon to resist only worsened the situation, and the law will not forgive any actions that threaten others' safety.
Shots fired. Shots fired. 303 shots fired.
Resisting and threatening the police with a weapon never ends well. He will likely soon regret his actions.
Is he here? Where is he? Door not back. Mike, drop it. Drop it. Drop it. Drop it. Drop it. Drop it. 25 shots fired.
The attempt to grab an officer's gun only made the situation worse for him. He made a mistake thinking he could confront the law.
2502, start a supervisor, shots fired. Pump it.
In the end, these individuals learned the hard way that messing with the wrong cops never ends well. What do you think about these encounters? Have you ever witnessed or experienced something similar? Let us know in the comments.